A junior table tennis coach has been suspended by his state association after CCTV cameras in a hotel showed him involved in a physical confrontation with a junior woman player. And while the state association has been playing the incident down, calling it a fun interaction between the two, both the coach and the player have been suspended.
On the 25th of December last year, late at night, an under-15 table tennis player was involved in a physical confrontation with a man, her coach. CCTV cameras in a hotel in Rajamundry in Andhra Pradesh picked up the footage. The coach and player both belonged to the Chhattisgarh team that was competing in the National Cadet and Sub-Junior Championships. The coach, all of 19, can be seen dragging the player into his room and being involved in a physical fight. The State Association has chosen to play the incident down, saying nothing indecent or inappropriate happened.
मोबाइल को आपस में छीन रहे थे, छीना झपटी ही और कुछ नहीं है, मोबाइल की छीना झपटी ही है और कुछ भी नहीं है.
If that was the case, then why has the coach and the player been suspended? In fact, the secretary of the State Association has stepped down from his post as well. And though no police complaint has been filed, the Table Tennis Federation of India isn't taking the matter lightly at all.
We want a independent, neutral inquiry, and want to know the fact what has really happened.
So, sir,
are you really very unhappy about the person? They have nominated a coach with the team of 19-year-olds.
This CCTV footage that has become public has certainly become an embarrassment for the table tennis associations both here in Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh as well as the national body, because inappropriate behavior is obvious from the tape and also at an inappropriate time.
The incident raises a few pertinent questions. Isn't 19 too young to be a coach? If it's mandatory for all female teams to be accompanied by at least a female support staff member, why was there none in this case? If nothing has been proven yet, why the suspensions at all, especially for the girl who is a minor? And if the incident happened in December, why has it taken this long for any sort of action to be initiated? The sad truth is that incidents like this one are believed to be rampant at junior level competitions. With Uma Sudhir in Hyderabad, in New Delhi, Suprita Das, NDTV.
All right, joining us for more on this story is Mr. P.C. Chaturvedi. He is the president of the Table Tennis Federation of India. Sir, you are the head of the body that governs this sport in India. Could you just throw some light on what exactly happened? Because we can only assume at what things would have transpired that night looking at the CCTV footage. Can you tell us exactly what happened?
You see, we have taken this incident very seriously and we have ordered an investigation into it, and as you must have come to know, one of the groups has also lodged a police complaint. So police will look after the criminal aspect of this issue, and we are going into the administrative and disciplinary aspect of the whole incident. We have taken it very, very seriously because this was an event which was for cadet and sub-junior, that is players up to 12 years and up to 14 years. So during the investigation, we will also examine why a player was sent as a coach and why such an incident has happened and what actually is the background and what exactly happened.
Okay.
And based on the CCTV camera clippings, it appears that inappropriate behavior was there on the part of coach. We have already taken immediate action against the coach and the secretary of the Chhattisgarh Table Tennis Association, but further action will be taken after our investigation is complete. But I would like to mention here one point. I myself was present during the event during the last 3 days, and no complaint was lodged before me. Nothing was told to be by any party, by any organization. And this CCTV footage has come to light after about a month. So we will also, during investigation, we will also investigate as to why such an incident had happened, why it was not reported to us, and particularly when I personally was present during that event.
Right, sir. So since you say that you were present at the event, did you not realize at that very moment that the Chhattisgarh team is there with a male coach and there is no woman coach with the team?
No, certainly. You see, sometimes, sometimes depending upon the situation, The players come as coach because, as I said, this was for the cadet and sub-junior category. The players were really small kids. And in that event, there were about 700 players and about 500 parents. Mostly all the children are accompanied by parents. So that could have been one of the reasons why Chhattisgarh Association appointed a player as a coach. But we will, during investigation, we will certainly examine in detail as to why such a thing happened.
Okay, sir.
And we will also ensure that in future, senior people are sent as managers, and particularly when girls are coming, there must be a girls manager or girls coach, senior person.
Okay, sir, the other question that is a very obvious question at the moment is that it's been 2 weeks since the incident happened, and you're saying that you will investigate the matter. Shouldn't 2 weeks be enough at least for you? I know you've suspended till the inquiry is over, but shouldn't 2 weeks be enough to really get to the core of the issue?
No, as I mentioned to you, I was personally present during the last 3 days of the event in Rajamundry, and no complaint, nothing whatsoever from any quarter was brought to my notice. This CCTV footage has come to light after about a month or so, and as soon as we got the news about the CCTV footage, we have taken immediate action against the secretary of the Chhattisgarh Table Tennis Association and the coach.
Okay. Okay, let me go across to Reet Ibrahim. She joins us. She's an Arjuna awardee and also a former athlete. Reet, you know, we are raising questions right now, but let me look at the bigger question. Tell us, is this the age-old story of Indian sports, especially for women athletes? Did you, for instance, have women coaches when you were a junior athlete?
Yes, definitely. It was an issue even when I was a teenager. I had to literally beg my parents to let me go and compete, in competitions like these. But I think we had responsible women coaches and managers who would accompany us, and that was the only way my parents would allow me to go. And we were very innocent, and we wouldn't do anything else other than what our coaches would ask us not to do or to do. But these days the scenario is totally different. The children are much more mature and they are aware of so many things. And I think it's really important that somebody responsible goes, as a coach or a manager with these girls, when they're teenagers, they can up to be so many tricks. And only if somebody responsible goes, then there'll be more parents who are willing to let the children go to compete in an event like this.
Right. Reet, let me ask you a larger question. Are these the kind of administrators that sports people have to deal with through their careers? I mean, you were a junior athlete too, and then a senior athlete, of course.
I think the responsibility lies on the association and federations, when they send junior athletes, because they are responsible for the, whatever action or whatever happens to these kids. And the parents have, trusted the officials and the associations and federations, and they are sending their kids. It's not possible for all parents to accompany the children. In many cases, I have seen parents accompanying their kids for competitions, but it's not possible for everybody. And when they have, trust on these officials, they have to do their job well. And I think also the kids have to be educated as to, what their limitations are and what they should be doing and what they should not be doing. It is a total circle where the child has his own responsibilities and the coaches and managers have bigger responsibility taking care of these kids.
Okay, let me go back to Mr. Chaturvedi. You say that you will take the necessary action, you look into this matter. We had Mr. Shukla yesterday, who is the secretary of the Chhattisgarh Table Tennis Association. He dismissed this entire thing, saying that, they were just playing. It was just a small little fight between the coach and that junior athlete over a mobile phone. I mean, would you not want to take action against such administrators who just try to, play down, brush these things under the carpet rather than taking cognizance of this?
Certainly. We do not agree that anybody should take such serious incidents lightly. And anybody who does this, we will certainly take action, because Table Tennis Federation of India has a code of discipline, and we have a policy of zero tolerance.
Right. So, read to you the same question.
Certainly take action against such officials.
Okay, read to you. You know, we heard the secretary of the Chhattisgarh Association saying that, oh, they were just playing. You must have had a look at the footage. Of course, there is some kind of inappropriate behavior that one can see. But do you really need administrators who try to brush things under the carpet, like we heard from the secretary of the Chhattisgarh Table Tennis Association? You think that is the core issue here? That is the real problem that is facing Indian sports? This is to Reet.
You see, such things have never happened in table tennis fraternity.
Yes, I did have a look at the
first incident of this nature that has come to our...
Right. I'll let Reet respond to... Yeah, Reet, go ahead. You need to respond to that.
Yeah. I did take a look at the video clipping, and you know, it clearly shows that the male member was playing around with the kids, but I couldn't see how big they were. But I think it's really important when the kids, you know, at that age, they're so vulnerable, and you should send a lady manager along with the kids. You never know at any given point what would happen. So it's really safe for the association or federation to send with the girl athletes or the junior athletes a lady manager or a coach. That would be the safest thing to happen. And I think the kids, like I mentioned earlier, should be educated on what, you know, where to draw a line, and they should not be going out of their hotel rooms and, you know, unsafe places, and they should listen to the managers and coaches.
Okay,
that's
finally,
really important.
okay, finally to you, Mr. Chaturvedi, you say you were at the tournament, yet we had a situation where a state association did not have a women coach with a junior women's team. What do you think can be done? What are the kind of checkpoints you're going to have to ensure that these things don't happen in the future?
You see, in future, we will ensure that when a girls' team is sent by any state association, it is accompanied by either lady coach or lady manager. This we will ensure. And we will also be more vigilant, because as I said, I was myself there. Nobody made any complaint. Nothing came to our notice. This CCTV footage came to light only after about a month of that event. So we will also, during investigation, find out as to what happened actually and why such late reporting of this incident was done.